Okay, I'm going to zoom in here. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. In this very short video, I want to talk about nature's natural healer. And it's made from wood pulp. And it's called DMSO for short. The long name is dimethyl sulfoxide. Now what it does, it binds with the water, it changes the structure of the water within the cell. Now we're talking about the cellular level. And what it does is going to heal the cellular damage, and it's going to reduce free radicals. Now when we have cell damage, we increase the free radicals. Okay, and if too many free radicals will cause inflammation, sickness, illness, and disease. What it's going to also do is going to increase the permeability of the cell membrane, so it flushes the toxins from inside the cell. So in turn, it's going to increase the oxygen availability, it's going to increase mitochondrial ATP synthesis, and it's going to make the cell perform better. Now from the cellular level, anytime that you increase cellular function of the body, you're going to increase its overall performance, and your body's going to heal naturally. Now where this all go, it's going to be flushed out in the urine. So that don't worry, there's not going to be any buildup. It's not toxic. Now it comes in different forms, creams, applications. I like personally the roll-on. I use it often. I use it, how do I use it? Again, you can just put it right on the area. My skin's not totally clean here, so I'm not going to apply it directly. But if you have elbow pain, you can rub it on. I always recommend rub it, use it often. But once you put it on the skin, if it's going to be clothed, you want to wait about 20 to 30 minutes just to make sure it's dry before you clothe yourself. Okay? It's great for anything like bronchitis. It's good for joint pain, muscle pain, so forth and so on, headaches. Again, the use increases the immune function. Why? Because it's rid the body of free radicals. So also turn, it's going to reduce allergic reactions. If you have allergies, it's going to decrease the potency of toxins, because remember, toxic buildup in your system increases free radicals. Once you lower the free radicals, you're going to lower the potency of the toxins. Okay? Note to self though, you could put it anywhere in your body. If you want to use it before bedtime, put it on the soles of your feet. Okay, because that's going to help. That's going to just basically get into the body. You want to still wait about 20-30 minutes before you sock your feet, though if you cover your feet before bedtime. Note, it's non-toxic. It's great for kids, from kids to adults. Okay, you want to apply it 2 to 3 times a day, depending on how the level of sickness that you are. Okay. One thing to note, if you have too much of it, okay, you are going to smell like sulfur or garlic. So you're going to be walking around with some type of odor. So if you know if you're putting too much on, you're going to stink. Okay. So note again, it's put on a clean surface. It's transdermal, so anything that's on the skin will seep into the bloodstream. Okay, so you want to watch out for that. I always recommend putting it on a clean surface, either fresh out the shower or the bath, or you want to make sure you clean the skin thoroughly before you apply it. Okay, it's a great healer. It's nature's natural healer. It's derived from wood pulp. DMSO, I use it often. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. Hey, over the last couple of years, my YouTube channel has grown tremendously, and I can only appreciate it, the viewers who subscribe. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button to get the first up-to-date videos, or you could always Google my name, Dr. Jinaan Jawad, and you could go to my JDoc Real Minute page. Again, if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get the most up-to-date videos, and thanks everybody who's watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.